Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
TuneCore makes it easy, cheap, and fast to get your music on all of the popular streaming services and digital stores around the world. Upload your music for consideration to be featured on Pandora with TuneCore, with prices starting at $9.99 to submit a single and $29.99 to submit an album or an EP.
Let's help you make your mark.
Regardless of what your favorite music streaming platform is, Pandora is not one to forget when promoting your music. Their process takes more work than getting your music on Apple Music or Tidal, but with 78 million active listeners, it's worth it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
We cannot play a specific song or artist right away, or on demand. Pandora is not an on-demand music service. If you want on-demand music, you need to go to an on-demand music service like Grooveshark, Mog, Spotify, or RDIO.
Take our lead.
Creating an audio message. Log into your Pandora AMP profile. Click on the blue plus button that reads Create Campaign. A drop-down menu should appear. Click on Artist Message. Upload your audio file and image. Follow the instructions and fill out relevant release details and press Submit.
Take our lead.
How to get your music on Pandora. Create an account. Go to the submission form. Complete the submission form. Contact information. Submission info. Release information. Song information. Verify and submit. Wait. Things worth tweeting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.